For example number 5, a demand curve is given by P, which is equal to 450 divided by the quantity X plus 8. Find the consumer surplus when the selling price is $10. So P of X is equal to 10, and P of X is equal to 450 over X plus 8. So what we need to do is, in order for us to figure out what the value of X is, we're going to set these two equal to each other. So 10 is going to equal 450 over X plus 8. Now you can either use the cross product or multiply both sides by the LCD. In this particular equation, X plus 8 is the LCD. Simplify, we end up getting 10 times X plus 8 equals 450. Solving for X gives us 37. So now we know that the upper limit of our integral function is going to be 37. So we're going to use the formula for the consumer surplus definition, which goes from 0 to x, and the function is P of x minus P dx. So the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 37. P of x is 450 divided by x plus 8, minus the value of P, which is 10. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and then find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of 450 over x plus 8 is 450 times the natural log of x plus 8. The antiderivative of minus 10 is minus 10x, going from 0 to 37. So we have 450 times the natural log of 45 minus 370, minus 450 times the natural log of 8 minus 0. So then we get the following answer. We get 450 times the natural log of 45 minus 450 times the natural log of 8 minus 370. And then we're using the definition of logarithms that when you subtract, you get 450 times the natural log of 45 divided by 8 minus 370. And it's approximately $407.25. And then here is your graph. So you have these two graphs. You have y is equal to 10, and then you have the graph of 450 divided by x plus 8, and then that entire area represents the consumer surplus.